So I've heard a bit about Adobe Firefly. It's their new set of AI tools for their creative suite. They have an online site where you can try out these features even if you don't have an Adobe account. So I thought we should check it out. Apparently you can do a lot of things like replace the background with an AI generated background. It can even create images from scratch. It can create a 3D model into a real life image. Tons more. So let's check it out. Let's start with generative fill. That's something I've heard a lot. So I'll just kind of upload an image of my own and well, I haven't done this before, so this is my first attempt. Apparently I kind of select something. Let me just select my hand there. I'm not doing a very good job of selecting. Let's see how beginner friendly this is in this process. Why not replace my arm with a robot arm with palm open? I'll describe it in a general text prompt and let's click generate, see what happens. It is taking some time, so it's not super fast, but hey, it's not using anything. You don't really need any like specific tool. It's all happening through a browser, so let's give it some time. Oh wow, it gave me a bunch of these options which are pretty cool. I mean, first one is not that great, but the rest of them look pretty interesting actually. The lighting matches, it looks cool. Damn, this is my first attempt and I'm already kind of impressed. I think I like this one. Let me just keep this. What if I select this area where there is nothing and maybe I can add some sort of a futuristic coffee machine. Let me describe it that way and see if it can come up with something. Oh hey, there you go. It's not exactly what I wanted, but it's pretty cool. It's blending the image with the colors and everything really well. I'm impressed how seamlessly it's integrating it with the background. Let's also add a contrasting thingy here, maybe a traditional incense stick holder. Why not? Hey look, that's exactly what I wanted. Perfect. Okay, let's see what we can do with the background here. I'll just click on background option and oh cool, just one click and it removed the background. Not perfectly, but it's fine for a single click. Maybe I can add a cyberpunk city with some rain and everything on the outside, moody lights, cinematic look. Let's see what it can bring up. Whoa, okay. I think I like this one more. The last one, it seems really solid. I don't know why the inside of the image is wet. I wanted the rain on the outside, but whatever. Let's keep it. So, I mean, you can see, just with using a couple of clicks and some basic prompts, even a noob like me who has never used this before can generate something pretty great. While downloading it, it'll add some sort of a message on the image saying that this was generated by AI. I like that, so that there is no confusion that whether this is real or fake. I mean, this is no doubt obviously generated by AI, but for some realistic looking images, this may put the viewer at ease knowing that it's generated by AI. I mean, damn, like what is an image anymore, right? Look at this. This is the first image on the right and the result on the left. It literally took me less than 2 minutes to make that. I get that it's super cool that artists can get inspiration and all that, but we have to work extra hard to keep things authentic from now on, I guess. Anyway, let me check out something else. Okay, text effects. What is that? Oh, so that's simple. You basically add a text as a word and then you describe a style for it. Oh, apparently you have to define the word on the left side there. I'm a dummy anyway. Okay, it does a pretty good job, although it's not super accurate for every other style. I guess it's fine to generate some interesting text for your graphics and stuff. It already has a background removed image, so yeah, that's cool. But I'm more impressed by the generative fill. Man, that's impressive. So yeah, I'll play around with some more things here, see what I can do, but you can also do the same thing. I'll leave the link in the description where you can play around with Adobe Firefly. Will this feature convince you to get the Adobe suite, or do you still think AI is just a waste of time? I mean, clearly it's not, but I would like to hear your opinions.